than weighed, packed and labeled. Our product is offered in form of small dishes, cardboards or branches, weighed according to the requirements of our customers. Farm produce quality packages are envisaged for dates past production during transit and for their optimum conservation while respecting the rule book as far as the farm produce industry. It's work experienced managers who aim by their faultless quality products to distinguish from competition. Its high quality worldwide technology equipment, its 14,200 square meters covered surface dressed in sandwich panels, false ceilings and walls, and food-grade painted floor, its demanding policy as regards of food